Super smart world via AI. Accelerating the ability to discover innovative drugs. Improved service productivity, and making it possible for everyone to lead a safe and healthy life.
Full research in society.
For society. Creating
A hopeful future.
promoting integrated research of IT and life sciences. That is our mission.
The National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, or AIST, is one of the largest public research institutes in Japan. Developing practical technology that benefits human society, AIST conducts goal-oriented basic research, serving as the foundation of innovation, while functioning as a bridge for outcomes in industry. Training and employing human resources who will create tomorrow's innovations are also key components of the technological research and development done every day at AIST. And as all of that is going on, AIST's vision is to build a sustainable society. AIST is focused on green technology, crucial to ensuring that human society is eco-friendly as well as affluent. Life technology, critical for leading healthy, safe, and secure lives. And information technology that forms the backbone of a super smart society. AIST aims to take industry to new and more advanced levels and, in the process, help better the world. AIST has its headquarters in Tokyo, as well as 10 research bases across the country, which are helping greatly to activate local economies. From its campus in Odaiba, Tokyo, AIST Tokyo Waterfront provides a platform where IT and the life sciences integrate. The mission at AIST Tokyo Waterfront is to promote information and life technologies in the biotech fields that bring us new drugs and healthcare advances, and in the human information interface, where you find artificial intelligence, ergonomics, and information security. AIST Tokyo Waterfront teams up with industry and academia to conduct advanced research and development tied to the needs of the times. Moreover, AIST Tokyo Waterfront functions as a bridge between science and everyday life by feeding back study results to human society and the industrial world. What technologies flow through this bridging, and how do they relate to the way people live? Let us show you the kind of research and development being done at AIST Tokyo Waterfront. The enormous strides made with artificial intelligence, or AI, in recent years have not only opened eyes, but have also begun to impact the lives of people. AIST is pursuing artificial intelligence with the intent of using technology to make life more convenient and comfortable.
We're pursuing AI for ways to collaborate and complement mankind, not for it to think and act on its own. People know how to cooperate with others. Say you're working with someone else, and the two of you have slightly different ideas of how to go about it. Either you convince the other person to do it your way, or you listen to the other person's idea and do it their way. In our minds, it should be the same with AI. It's not just about everyone doing their own thing. You carefully juggle what the other person is thinking with what you want to do. So we see it as you cooperate with the AI as if it were human, because you can better solve difficult problems if you work as a team. So, in that sense, we want to develop AI to be people-friendly.
One AI field AIST is exploring to realize its vision is AI in the living environment. The Living Lab is where development work is targeted at technologies that enhance everyday safety and help people to be independent and self-reliant.
For example, sad but true, there are many reported cases of infants climbing onto something, that something toppling over, and the child dying. To end this problem, It is necessary to do a behavioral analysis in order to see what objects kids climb onto. So our research is aimed at building a library of climbing behavior.
Projects include monitoring technologies to prevent kids from falling from balconies, and also analyzing how the elderly walk to detect subtle declines in physical ability to give them personalized attention.
We aim at AI that could work in real-world settings and solve social issues. So we are carefully and assiduously not only doing the basic research here, but also taking that into the field for corroboration.
AIST is also conducting research into robotics. One particularly interesting area of that research is pursuing autonomous moving robots to work in the human world. Development work is underway to use AI so that robots can estimate their location, posture themselves, and recognize their surroundings. In the future, these technologies could be used for self-driving cars, caregiving robots, and other useful applications. Research has also been launched into bringing out the potential of robots for home use. AI makes it possible to fold towels effortlessly, formerly quite challenging with programming. Going forward, research will be directed at accomplishing a variety of tasks with minimal experience or learning. Moreover, AI is being used to process satellite images. The goal is to build a system that can quickly analyze massive amounts of images of the Earth taken by satellites. Some of the targeted applications of this technology include environmental management, resource exploration, and disaster mitigation. At AIST, research is also underway to use AI in the service industry. One such application can be seen at this assisted living facility for seniors. This facility employs a system built with service design support technology. Resident information is entered, stored, shared, and analyzed using tablets and a server, while a communication support app is used by staff to make messaging between them more efficient.
In the services industry we deal in, many things are noticed and said right on the spot. And by noticing things, we can better serve the newly arising needs of residents. This system has taken a very scientific look at the way people notice things. We think it is absolutely marvelous. The biggest feature of this system is that staff members themselves can design services. We think this service design support technology can be applied to other service fields that have similar problems to the nursing care business.
Right now at AIST, research is underway to analyze big data with AI after creating a database of things discovered at a target job site. By improving the design process, the quality of the service is improved, and this technology can be used in many industries and businesses.
The AI everyone is talking about today requires a vast range of expertise and technologies from diverse fields. So we view it as our mission at the Artificial Intelligence Research Center, and this is the same in the industrial world and at universities and research institutes as well, to effectively assemble persons with that expertise and to organically intertwine those technologies in order to solve the challenging issues facing society.
どうしたの？
ちょっと頭が痛くて。
お薬飲む？
People often turn to medicine when feeling ill or sick. AIST is conducting research aimed at streamlining the development process for discovering new drugs.
It currently takes as many as 10 or 20 years to develop a single drug. On top of that, it is not unusual that development costs upwards of several tens of billions of yen. The reason new drug development costs so much money and time is because there is a very low probability of success. A new drug is born only after selecting candidate drugs from several millions of compounds, verifying safety and effectiveness in preclinical and clinical trials, and clearing a stringent validation process. However, more than 90% of the candidate drugs fail before they launch. If the molecular profiling we are researching can be used to assuredly identify why a new candidate drug is effective and whether or not it will produce side effects, it could help reduce the mammoth costs and time required for drug development. We are also doing a variety of basic research which goes into development of a variety of technologies. One such project is the multi-purpose humanoid robot named Mahoro.
Mahoro is a two-armed humanoid robot that automates testing tasks indispensable to drug development. Prior to Mahoro, experimental results varied or contained errors due to the skill level of the lab technician. In addition, there was a plethora of other concerns regarding drug tests, such as time-consuming protocols and risks associated with handling pathogens and so forth. Moreover, with previous lab robots, it was necessary to rearrange the line every time those tasks were changed. After making a few simple settings, Mahoro can handle and operate the same equipment and machines that people do and perform intricate tasks accurately and consistently. Another tool indispensable to new drug development is the biopharmaceuticals natural product library. It is used in new drug screening as a source of information on the naturally occurring compounds from which more than 60% of all current drugs are made. At any given time, the center stocks more than 270,000 samples of the primary biopharmaceuticals listed in the library, which improves drug development.
If our work can further promote drug discovery capabilities, it will lead to wonder drugs for incurable and untreatable diseases, and new drugs that can be tailored to the specific conditions of each patient.
Besides efforts to support new drug development, this center is involved in healthcare. One particular project in this area is working on technology for analyzing the epigenome. Aberrant DNA methylation, which is a type of epigenomic mechanism, is deeply related to cancer occurrence. They say that analyzing DNA methylation is complicated, but researchers at AIST developed software to do that. Known as Bisulfighter, the application contributes to the prevention of cancer by enabling analyses of the highest levels of sensitivity and accuracy. Technological development is also targeted at molecular simulation, which allows estimation of molecular interactions on computers. This technology is being used in research into substances that can slow or possibly halt the progression of Alzheimer's disease. AIST would like to help create a world in which daily diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease can be more effectively treated. AI is a major part of analyses and other processes in the fields of new drug development and healthcare. AIST is promoting research and development of AI applications that will further advance these fields of scientific endeavor to the benefit of mankind. Our lives are filled and surrounded with an endless array of products.
行ってきます。
Many of these products are created by the experience and know-how of developers and the evaluation of test subjects. AIST Tokyo Waterfront is helping to make better products by reproducing the human body and behavior on computers. AIST Tokyo Waterfront is developing products and services for ensuring health and safety by compiling and analyzing data on human behavior.
A digital human is a human model created on a computer. Through simulation of interaction between products and human models, we can estimate the usability of the products on a computer. What's good about this kind of digital human technology is that it enables product and service development in a far shorter time and at far lower cost than what presently exists.
At work, here is Daiba, a digital human model developed by AIST Tokyo Waterfront. Daiba is a digital human model that reproduces diverse human attributes such as gender, age, and weight. The software Daiba Works realizes a human-centered product design that covers aspects from generating a Daiba model to evaluating a product quantitatively. We promote more easy-to-use and safer manufacturing products utilizing Daiba Works in collaborative work with manufacturers. AIST Tokyo Waterfront is building a database on walking using digital human technology, scientifically analyzing the way people walk and developing health improvement technology. This is the gait evaluation system. It can estimate applied force to legs and fall risk during gait. Using the measured data, unique research and development is in progress through collaboration with several industrial partners. We are actively promoting research on sports biomechanics for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics and Paralympic Games.
The recent development of athlete-specific prostheses allows lower limb amputees to set records with unbelievable speed. Several lower limb amputees using prostheses may surpass their able-bodied counterparts. We aim to develop training regimens and rehabilitation for lower limb amputees who want to improve their athletic performance in the Paralympic Games, and those who wish to run in the future by using biomechanical analysis such as force production capabilities, three-dimensional motion capture, and big data analysis. Using these digital human technologies, we want to provide products in which consumers will recognize a high added value and create living environments that are both sustainable and allow people to feel healthy and safe.
AIST is also focused on information security, given the growing use and importance of information. To ensure that information can be safely exchanged on the Internet, research and development efforts are being directed at advanced encryption, privacy protection, and other technologies needed in increasingly diverse situations. AIST Tokyo Waterfront operates as a research center where IT and the life sciences meet and integrate, as well as a platform for international cooperation. Going forward, AIST will continue to strengthen its collaboration with industries and research institutes inside and outside Japan, as well as with the public, to help industries in Japan increase their competitiveness and create new areas of industry.